So my account page is the my account page. So we have finished 3 elements. If you go to application, you can see the my account page. Even we have to identify this logout also important, and also this section elements also, if you want, how many elements are there. You need to get all this list. So to get all this list, you have to write a proper XML. Okay. So that's the one thing you check that. So my account, so this my account header list. So these things, and then my orders and newsletter are only headers. How many headers are there? You need to get the number of headers also, and each section links, how many are there? You need to get them also, and then this collection also you get it, and this breadcrumb also you need to get it. These are the elements. Let's go and see one by one. Okay. First, logout link. Logout link is a link, right? Directly you can write. So find by link text. So I'll take all of them so that we can save the time. So here, link text, and you write here. So logout. So how this logout is there? Just this down. So logout link. Next. So my account breadcrumb. Okay, let's write for this. So account, but you have to write from here. You have to write from here. So if you want to write a, so this CSS selector, if you want, you can copy from. So this export selector, okay, this selector you can use. So copy this and you can put it here. So CSS, I'm using CSS, but it's writing from the beginning. Okay. So if you want to shortcut it. So I'm writing account. So you can see body, div, class, content, real class, breadcrumb. You can start from here itself, not necessarily this much big. Okay. But fine, li colon nth hyphen child of 1. So that means li1. So a nth child of 1. So li1, a1. So that's the one. You can see account breadcrumb, right? Account breadcrumb. So what is the next element? So you have to see these elements we can see. Let's find out. Drop menu, right? And ULLIA. So ULLIA is enough, right? So my account header menu option list. So my account, so menu option list. My account menu option list. So you can see that. This one. So you understand the structure first. Structure understanding is very important. So you can start from here, right? my account menu list, or you can start from top links. From here onwards, you start. Then UL LI2A, right? So you can put so LI2. So then maybe you can put LI2 after. So what we have again, you have UL LIA. ULLIA, so that you need to write my account menu option list. So the XPath or whatever you want, you write it. Okay, let's write here. UL already we have, LI2 we have. Then I can put UL slash LI slash A, right? It should return for us. Anywhere we made a mistake. See, it's exactly we got. Got it right? That's what the structure you need to understand. Go and write that. So this XPath you take to my account menu option list. It's a list. Okay, basically it's a list. So XPath we are writing. So my account is a list web element you write. So my account menu option list. So import this. Like that, all the list we need to get it, a different list. So next, this list is done. Now move on to this list. See div ID content H2. Okay. So if you put div ID content H2 means that one, that header. But you have to write here div ID content. Let's see, what are all we're going to get it. So how many we got?
Three.
Three. These are the three, we got it. So that's the all account headers. So my account headers, all my account headers. So that you can put my account headers list. So so I can put here that one. So I can write it till here. And so this one, I'm just changing the name. My account header list. My account header list. So next, which one is there?
How many links present in each page?
So this one, right? My account, this links, all these links also you can get it. So all those links also you can get it. So this my account header.
How many
So
links is there?
header list. My account header list. Okay. One you identify, then you will get automatically. See, if you identify one, you will get this div ID content UL. Div ID instead of H2, you can put UL slash
Slash
li
A.
slash A.
Slash A.
So now you will get how many you got? Oh, so many you got. 11 you got.
11
So we don't want 11, right? You have to put LIUL1 you have to put. Because these things also it is fetching. See, all of them it is fetching. That's why you have to put LIUL of 1. Now you see, how many you got now? 4.
4.
That's how you need to filter it out. So let's take this and write and you can put this name and just that's it. So name you have to change it. My account. What is the
Header
name?
links.
My account header
Header links.
option list. So my account header options. So option 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 list. Okay, same way my order list also you can find it out. So what is the UL2, right? UL of 2. So if you put UL of 2, you will get this. So my order, you can see here, I can keep 2. See that only my orders header list. Option list. So my orders header option list. Okay, so write that. Same way, this one I think we can write same, right? Already we have written. Okay. So my orders header list, header option list. My order header option list. So you have to put this one. That's it. So these are all elements, right? We completed almost all the elements. Now you need to perform the search. One action. Clicking on logout, one action. So then maybe you can validate all these links. How to validate links in the page? How to validate? In a particular page, how to validate the links?
Using a tag name.
Using tag name.
Yeah.
So then you are not reading properly, not practicing.
HTTP response.
Displayed method.
Okay. Using HTTP response code, you can validate, but how you will validate that? The code you need to remember. Okay, so anyhow, let's write all the from the top. So click on my account menu to open the my account menu, right? So you need to click. So write the actions. So public void. So click. So my account menu link.
Manage.
So my account menu link. .info. So click on
My account.
my account. So click my account menu.
Okay.
So if you want a throws declaration, I'll add throws declaration. So that it will be easy for us. Next. So next, what is the element? So you have to do action on the login, logout, right? So logout. If you want, you let me show you. You can get this page URL also. This entire address bar URL. So get that page URL. That one method will develop. So public string. So get my account page URL. Page URL. .info. Fetch my account. Wait for URL contains. Then constants dot. So account page fraction URL. Account page fraction URL. That's it. Then you just check. So before doing these actions, the search edit box exists or not, logout exists or not. You can just check that. So we already have this kind of methods. So we can check that. So I'm just so saving some time. Is search edit box exist? So you can put it here. Search edit box. So is which one? Logout exist. Is logout exist? So you can put here logout link. So done. So like this, you can develop all the methods in that page. We need to write exact action on the So logout link, right? Write that. So public void to click logout. Click logout link. Sorry. Now, so what are the actions you need to do if you want to click on the logout? So what are the actions you want to do? Just this is the, so you want to log out. What you will do first? What is the action you will do first?
Click on my account, then log out.
That's what, right? Manual testing is you don't know how to step this no step all the steps. My account, click on
Click
log.
on log out.
That's it. The first you need to click on my account, then click on log out. So
Log out.
right. Those steps we already written here. So call this method. This method you call inside the
If
this first.
possible.
Next,
Okay.
so you can wait for the logout. You have to wait for the logout, right? Wait for element visible. So wait for. So you have to wait because you're doing some so where your menu is going to take some time to open. You have to tell that. So by dot link text. So you just give logout.
Log out.
Okay. Then so you click on the logout. So already did we write click on logout? Okay, here only we are writing, right?
Yes.
So we add throws declaration. And this one, click method you write. Click logout.
Log out.
That's it. So this is so logout is done. So now you need to perform the search action. Search. So logout is done, this one, and we need to get a list of all these things. So maybe count, you can get it, or you can iterate them. Whatever you want, you can do. You can get the text, right? You can get the text. So that also you can do. So perform the search. So let's do the search. So do the product search. Okay. Let's do the product search. So when you perform the search, it will go to a results page, right? So that page, I want to show you one more tricky thing here. So the page, if it is navigating to some other page, you can return that. You can return that page. So I'm going to return that results page. Return type method I'm developing. I told you already in the beginning Java, always in the Selenium, the return type will be any data type, primitive or non-primitive data types. So this is the non-primitive data. Okay, this is the non-primitive data type. And result space, and you can just say that do product search. Do a product search. So you can put string product name. So what is the product name? So you just give the product name. So I can write log.info search for a product. Okay. So after this, you check if the set shaded box is present. So if is search exists, right? Is search shaded box exist, then you can type it, right? Then you can type it. So we can say log.info. Perform the type action. On set shaded box. So send data, right? Send data. Send data. So set shaded box. Set shaded box and product name you need to type. So that's the one. And add throws declaration. After no typing, what is the next action?
Click on.
Click on. So click on that. Click on the touch icon. So click on
Touch
search.
icon.
Search.
Touch
Touch
icon.
icon.
So write the click action. Write the click action. You can put a search touch icon. So this method is going to return. So this is a return type method. So returns here only. So return new result space. So new result space which returns a driver. Okay, it returns a driver. So this one, if it is not exist, so you have to return a null. Have to return a null.
No.
So this space is not there. Result space is not there. If not there, you have to create a construct. Okay, it is asking to create a construct. We will create later. We will create a later. Otherwise, go and create it. It is asking na, go and create it. So we can create a constructor. So then it's easy. So the error is resolved immediately. Next. So get the text of each section. You can get the text of each section. So all the lists are there, right? Many lists are there, right? First, I'll fetch this, all these links text into my collection. So, but first you are getting list already there, but this text you need to get it. How can you get them? How can you get the text of that menu? This is also going to return. See, all I'm using collections only here. I need to return a string list. Get. So my account menu option
list.
So return type method. This also return type method. So here it is returning the page. This method returns a results page. And this method is going to return a list of all the link names. First, what you need to do, you need to click on my account menu link. Right? So then you have to get all of them. So you already got the, so that list, you create a array list. So we create array list of string. Okay. So create the list. So I'm creating a list. So what is my list name? I can give my account menu option text list. So my account. So menu
option text
list. So new array list. New array list. So then, so you got this list inside. You have to store these all these elements. So how can you get that? You have to use the for loop. Iterate.
For loop.
Iterate the collection. Which collection you have to iterate? This collection.
My account
This
name
collection.
option.
So this collection you have to iterate. So for web element. So element colon
Column. Collection name.
collection name. How can you get each so element text?
Hmm.
How can you get each element text? What is the method you need to use? This is what I will get angry. Huh? What is this, madams? Is this fair to you guys? Huh? Is this fair to you guys? How to get each element text you don't know. Very, very bad. Huh? At the end of the course also you are not able to get the simple thing also means where you are madams. Okay, anyhow. So with this kind of skill set you cannot attend the media interviews. So add the element text to this collection. They'll simply say get out of my room. They'll say simply if you go with this skill set for interviews, don't go. Unnecessary embarrassment situation for you. I'm telling you frankly. So I want to add that text. So I will add the text. So array list you can so import. So it will give the string here also. You can give the string. Both sides. So then return. So return the list. Return the list. This list you have to return. So all the text you will get into this, your customized list. That's it. So and one more. So if you want to get, so get my account header list also, you can get it. So here we have, right, get my account, all this, I'm getting my account header list. So this text also same way. So just copy paste this one. Just change. So get my account header list. Okay. So just change here also. So my account header text. Header text list. So here, so you just get this element. What is this? This element. So remaining all same, only this will change. That's it. Same way you can get other. What is the next one? So this is done. This is done. My account header option list. So my account header option list. So my account header text list. Same name, we have to give different name here. This one. my account headers. And this one, my account header option.
Header